Cino Coffee Machine Manufacturer Company Limited is an advanced researcher and manufacturer in single-serve coffee machines. Cino has developed a full line of brewing systems compatible with most customers' capsules found on the market. Cino is located in west side of 3 and 4 floor Building G, Licheng Technology Park, Sajing Town, Bao'an, Shenzhen, 20 minutes from Shenzhen Airport, 2 hours from Hong Kong Airport, and 1.5 hours from Canton Fair. Cino specializes in customer-oriented services with its creative marketing ability and edge-cutting research and development innovation. As an ISO-certified factory, Cino products are broadly listed in CB, GS, CE, ETL, 3C, KC, SAA certificates, and REACH, ROS, LFGB, FDA test reports. Today, Cino has 4 assembly lines capable of producing 500,000 units per year, with the products sold worldwide to 60 countries. Cino products are being introduced to supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, and households by distributors and retailers. Cino products are displayed in all the major coffee-related exhibitions and recognized as an advanced OEM factory in the coffee brewer industry. Hundreds of roasters and thousands of coffee lovers are coming to Cino, not only with an order, but also with a passion for coffee. No matter what your flavor, no matter what your capsule, if you are a coffee lover, you can always find a money-saving solution with Cino. Welcome to Cino, your barista.